Hey guys, Alvin Mark here. I just received this from Royal Mail Post and I'm really excited about this product that I ordered. It's from an art supply store called Ken Bromley. Yeah, let's unbox this. This is Ken Bromley's magnetic perspective finder. Ooh. This is a really clever invention. If you're starting out or if you have issues with perspective, let me show you what this is. So what this does is, when you're looking at your image in the distance, for example this steeple of this church, all you have to do is just put it down this way and then you transfer it onto your canvas or piece of paper and you will get that exact perspective. Let's try this out. So very quickly, this is how it works. For example, if you have a street scene like that, this one is at Chelsea, you might want to get the perspective for the top of that part of the building, and then when you bring it down, you make the marking down. And it's going to be very similar to what you see. Something like that for the base. There you have it. And these columns are very vertical. Yeah. So that's what the shop looks like. So when you're new to art, or maybe you have issues with perspective and you're really struggling, this could be a product that you might find useful while creating the piece of art. What I do sometimes is to use this to double check my drawings before I get into the color stage when I'm outdoors sketching or painting. Hey guys, I find this a really clever product. It is, number one, really slim. It can fit anywhere, even between your sketchbook or notebook. So what it does is it helps you put down your initial perspective line if you're struggling with it, and also at the end of your sketch you can use it to double check and make sure all the perspective lines are down correctly. What a clever, useful product. So once again, this product is from Ken Bromley. It's a family run business here in the UK and they ship internationally. This is the catalog which they will send if you make a request for it. You guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this one really useful. This is Ken Bromley's magnetic perspective finder, and again, as usual, I'll leave all the links, necessary links, down in the description box. For all those who are new here, once again, good to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get informed once a new video gets pushed out by me. If you think that your friends might benefit from this, especially if they're into art, do share this video with them. This is Alvin Mark and I've just done a product review for Ken Bromley's magnetic perspective finder. Until the next video, ciao ciao.